Yo, 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 what's up, people? Welcome back to another live stream. And today we'll be continuing with the Jarvis as usual. Last time we got the access of the PHP and after some struggle, we even got in, and now we are trying to exploit it further if we can get inside the machine. So this part seems to be a bit complex, but let's start and see where we can go. So, new here, subscribe if you like. It is up to you. Who am I to hold you, right? If you like it, subscribe, like the video or the stream, and let's jump down to the fun. Okay, so far what we have got is the username and password using the SQL injection here, and it was a pretty successful injection. Over here we have a few version. Only the remaining part that remained was the looking for a PHP my admin version, which we don't have right now. Let's see if it is over here. Nope. Let's get into the machine again, or the my PHP my admin again, and see if we can find in there and see if that contain any sort of vulnerability. If not, then we have to look around over the Google or stuff to find what we can do with this. And where can we see the version of the PHP my admin? And there we go. We have it here. Okay, that's a different shortcut. Sorry, my bad. And let's highlight this too. So far what we have is like three versions that we need to work around with. The first one is the server version that is related to the MariaDB. The second one is related to the PHP version, and third one is this PHP my admin. So now we have that too. So let's check into the, where do we check? What the hell was that tool? Search exploit, and see if there is any exploit relevant to this version. To this version, writing notes and solving the machine side by side takes way more time than just solving the machine, and that's a headache, but we have to live with this. cd slash, not this one, htb machines and Jarvis. Clear. Over here we're gonna look for the search exploit, and here PHP my admin, the version is 4.8.0, and it says this has CSRF. That's cool. Let's see. Okay. And it seems in there we have CSRF, cross-site request 4G. 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 Let's check that. Search paste unwanted length, clear this, and what we're gonna do is search exploit -m, which will either move or copy the file, which is 44496. Press enter, and we have got the relevant information, and this is not verified, so it may work or may not work. I think that's the kind of thing this is. So paste this here, and let's get it. Cat for whatever HTML, and this, what does it says? It says that the vulnerability exists due to failure in the SQL.php script to properly verify the source of HTTP request. This cross-site request forgery will allow an attacker to execute arbitrary SQL statement by sending a malicious request to a logged in user. Proof of concept. This example send HTTP get crafted request in order to drop the specific database. Okay, we have the reference here. Let's see if this has any solid POC that can help us move faster. Open in the private, paste it here, and search. Or we can just copy this, go here and do the POC. POC over the GitHub. PHP myadmin again, and this one. Let's check what's here. References. This one is exploit DB. This is the same number. 44496. Yep. Security tracker. Another dead website, I guess, or the endpoint. I guess website is dead. What do we have here? CSRF, National Vulnerability Database. We need a solid POC how to perform this. Okay, over here. Time. Not this. This vulnerability allow remote attackers to execute. But what the hell here? zerodayinitiative.com advisory. This vulnerability allow remote attacker to execute arbitrary. But where's the POC? Do I have to look on that itself and then perform it? GitHub POC PHP. This again the same stuff, I believe. Yep. No solid POC. Well, whatever. We know the steps. Boom. So This is what we have right now. And here on the PHP my admin version 4.8.0, we have identified a CSRF. So let's try if it works or not. Now what we need to do is voice attack. Oh, someone is playing something. So now we need to do is there is a vulnerability, but how are we gonna perform it? We know that we can add stuff in the file, but can this help us identify the path? Or can it call the file? Even if it can identify the path, how are we gonna check that path? Two problems in a one go. Though it says a drop database, but that's not gonna help. There's SQL.php. This needs a more explanation, but .sql.php. Okay, let's see if I will try to go here. Damn / sql.php. Poof. Didn't work. Do we need the burp suite to perform it? Because we are adding the refer header here, which we're trying to dump, I believe. Upgrade to the version that. Let's see if there is anything else we can find here. There is another cross-site request forgery, and this number is different. Let's see. Search exploit -m, paste this number, and cat 46.txt. What does this say? I believe the same stuff. This one is 2019. Authenticated file inclusion LFI. We even have the RCE here, which is by using the Python. But I believe the good way should be using the LFI. Like we have all these options, from which we have these two and the other two are LFI and the last one is RCE. So what we can do, we can move all of these into the same place, and later then we can check what we can work with, or with which we want to work, I would say. So let's just copy this out. Remove this till here, and we'll make some changes in the statement and some other vulnerabilities too, like LFI and RCE. So let's try if any of this works or not. Right, so we will be going with the easy one first, which is this, I guess. Let's try. Search exploit -m, paste this, press enter, and there is one LFI. Then we have 28, another LFI. Then we have 50457. Press enter. There we go. So let's move all of them on to a single place. Now let's read them one by one. This Python script seems to be pretty cool, cause over here, if you see, this is for the LFI, I believe. If you see over here, 12613, and this is same 12613, and over here 12613. So all these, or I would say that this LFI or the RC for this by using the LFI, and we can use LFI to execute a script that will give us the reverse connection. So let's try this. Clear everything. So what we have here is the RCE1 is actually utilizing the LFI vulnerability in the PHP my admin to provide us the RCE using the Python script. Let's give that a shot. If it works, who knows, right? So let's try Python 3 50 whatever dot slash, and it says example we need some stuff here, and invalid escape sequence. Is it because it's a Python 2 script? Yep, this is a Python 2 based script. So it needs a IP address on which we are trying to attack. So in that manner, let me pull the stuff here. We'll copy this, paste the URL. Nothing much in change. It's the port 80 and /php my admin username and password. Username dbadmin and the password is I miss you. The command that we want to execute, I hope we can put that into the double quotes, and by going here over the reverse shell generator, press 2 and split it, not cat IP add, press enter. It's 16.8. That's a pretty wild IP address. It's been long that I have seen this far of IP. Okay, so we have got some good stuff. Now what we need is copy it, paste it here. I just hope, finger crossed, this does not break. Next, what we're gonna do is, I hope we don't need the netcat listener. It will trigger netcat listener over here itself, or just in case LNVP 9001, I guess 9002. Press enter. Cancel 9001. We'll go with this 9001. Press enter, and we should get the RCE. I didn't saw any sort of error here, so I'm expecting that this might work, or this might not work. It says the command, but let's see, who am I? Will it be able to pull that? Okay, that part is working. Good. Now I just need to, I guess this one will work if that one didn't work, and this one always work. I hope it worked this time too. It worked. Like I said, this payload always work for the RCE. That's why I like the security stuff. Basically the hacking stuff. It's fun. And we have successfully got the RCE. Using the Python script exploit. Should I create the same script into the bash? Let's give a check. What sort of script is this? Split it and we will go to the code 50 whatever. And let's see how this actually performing the action. How the hell should I zoom in? This? No. I want to zoom into the fonts. Hi, Mujhe hacking see all the ways. Hello, Amit Nagar. It is by time process, brother. It's not a single day game. I'm learning it for like the past 8 years. So it's a by time process. First, it'll check for the login page and the version. It confirmed the version over here. Then it'll fetch the cookie, the token, and provide or implement the password and username. Get into the session and get second token and cookie. Understandable. Then it will. Okay, so it is creating a file. Yeah, learn it by time, man. You'll learn it. How old are you though? Okay, so now what it's doing is creating a file which contain the payload over here. And it's a PHP file and it says a select. So I'm assuming this is a SQL query. And the file name is import.php. Fourth, it is executing the payload URL 3 where it is performing the combination of the URL and index.php target db_sql.php, and over here this one is okay. Person 25, what is that encode for? Copy. No, the person 20 is for the space. Decode. No. Decode. Okay, it's a person. No. Damn. My screen just died. I'm from India, brother. Give me a sec. Let me fix it. If it does, and I hope the stream don't. knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Something is messed up. I knew it. Everything is totally frozen, and since how long I'm not audible? 10:25. Okay, it's been 10 minutes since I'm not audible. I told you my system died on me. Another waste of stream. Dang it. There's a damn delay also. Sorry, man. I need to work around this. Ouch. Sudo paste simpler.py, press enter, cancel, clear this out. I have performed the same action in previous box, I believe, where we did define a certain Python parameter that was looking for a user, right? Let's see. Sudo slash minor qualifier this and this. So many files. Fail to ban. Was it this? I don't think. This one. Surveillance. Which box was it where we performed it with the user, cause the user wasn't a part of the environment, or there was some certain file that wasn't part of the environment, and because of that we need to perform it in another way. Permax, was it this? Over here we just provided the full powers. Yeah, over here this has the all and all, but we are defined with the username here, so we cannot perform the action without the user. I hope now I'm audible. Sudo pin nano privilege. No, this is a different one. Not this too. Sudo local. No. Not this one also. This is a total different stuff. Not this. Was it editorial? Not this one also. The vortex. No, the adminer. Yeah, over here we have the Steven. I think this is the one. The task. Non-interactive. Yeah, it is this one. The adminer. Over here we define the path. Then we declared the script. And here we try to get the RCE. So this is how we got the power to perform the Python script in there. So let's go all the way down, add it here, temp, and what's the problem here? Dang it. Yeah, sudo -l. I didn't got a response. I'm still not audible, guys. Whoever is watching. We are going to provide this as a path. Copy this, paste it here, press enter, and yes, it's still a problem. Cause I didn't made it the part of the environment. Is it that? This is cooked. But what we can do, we can perform the command injection here. How are we gonna do that? Why I'm doing so much? Sudo hyphen, wait a sec. What are the sudo hyphen h? Let's check that. Hell no. I just need to perform the sudo hyphen u here. What the hell? What the hell? Hell nah. Sudo hyphen u is going to be the pepper pot. Copy this, paste it here, press enter, and this is working. Okay, unknown user pepper. Spelling mistake, I believe. Okay, it's the pepper, not a, it's pepper. Press enter. Boom. Okay, it is working. Drop a like, guys. Appreciate it. That sounds pretty beautiful, no? Okay, it worked. Not totally, but something worked. And we're gonna pull this, paste it here. But we don't have to be there. We can perform the cd. We can cd to the home. Clear this out. Home cd pepper. Clear this out. And this is going to be the path over here, so we can restuff bit clear. I hope there won't be any sort of, yeah, there is still a distance problem. Okay, so let's read what they have added here. define get max level lines, define execute ping for pin and operator this. Damn. Here I was so happy that we can perform the command injection here, but here's another problem that we need to tackle, and that's we cannot perform the AND operator, we cannot perform the semicolon, we cannot perform the hyphen, single quote I guess, or it is something similar to that. We cannot perform the double pipe and a single pipe. What I was expecting, if we can perform any of these action, we can try base 64. Using the base 64 we can go for decode base 64. Once it will decode, it will run that base 64 string that has been decoded into the bash, and that way we can get the RCE of this machine. But here we are stuck. Any idea in the chat how we can bypass this? Although in the exam I won't be asking you guys, but still idea is idea by the time I'm not giving an exam. We cannot perform AND operators, semicolon, hyphen, quote, double pipe, single pipe. We can just only add the IP address. So something like this. Okay, it will be messed up, so let's do it here. Hyphen P. With hyphen P, we going to need the IP address, and that's going to be our IP address. 10.10.16.8. You can try to use double AND operator, but it has banned the single AND. We can try double AND operator, but that is also not gonna work, because if the first command is going to be a string, that command need to create a file, because we can use that with the file but not without the file. What I'm trying to do is going with a single command that will pass on one after another. I don't think it will work that way. Let's say bash base 64, copy this, go here, sh paste, echo, not EG, sorry, my bad, echo, double AND. It is kind of like run it together, but I'm trying to run it in a separation one by one. Don't know if it will work, but base 64 hyphen D, whatever we have given, then run it into as a bash. Got it. Copy this, go here, copy this whole, paste, hyphen P, copy it. We need to start, we can close this one, clear it, netcat hyphen lnvp. We are running over the, whoa, we need to change, I think it shouldn't be a problem, because that will be a new listener inside a listener. paste, press enter, and I'm pretty sure it is going to crash. It's not gonna work. This not gonna work. This isn't gonna work. Whoa. I don't think it's working. Let's try this. -p 10.10.16.8. Yeah, I'm thinking the same. Press enter. Did it ping the IP address? What's the port for the ping? Yo, don't die, don't die. Thank you. Was it 6? We need to check over the TCP listener then. I don't want to do that. Try to ping localhost only one time and then inject second command, maybe it work. That's the problem, right? Because of the filtration, it won't work. Over here it says -L. We can list out the attacker IP address. How the hell does it know that there is an attacker roaming around and this does not have any attacker IP address? Boom. Pretty cool, cause we are already inside the machine. So it does not know that. Pinging the localhost doesn't make sense. Even if it does, it's still a command. But the point is, if it is already performing a certain command, why is it being like this? Base 64 decoder won't work. We cannot use special characters. What the hell we can do? It works for you? Try to ping the localhost one time. How many times it is pinging over here? Execute ping. Let's see, where is it? The execute ping. List IP address, date and time. Execute ping. Says forbidden. Okay, let's see. So you're saying something like this. 127.0.0.1 double end, press, remove this, copy this hole, paste it here, press enter, and now it is in under loop. I totally forgot that I need to ping it only once. So -C1, I believe, because we cannot declare how many times it is going to ping that. Give me a sec, I'm having a problem with this. Let's see if we can fix this first. STDY, I think this is the one that's giving a problem here. How to set row and column. STDY. Yeah, this large STDY size. Yep. First we need to provide the size and column, then let's see if I exit from here. Exit from here too. STDY-O, or it's -A. It's -A, right? Okay, this is messed up. Control Z. STDY-A. It says rows 31, column 135. STDY, rows and column, I believe. This calls, that's not a string. Do I need to provide it together? Size. How? Okay. I need to do the one by one. So I guess rows could go for 50 or 60, and columns can go for 200. Yeah. And I hope this didn't break. And if I will do FG, press enter, and now if I will try to spawn the shell again, this should fix some problem. Okay, it's not working because of this command. Let's do this. It's same. So now if I will copy paste this, lovely. Now it's not breaking the shell, so we can make this command as a permanent here. TTY row echo like this, right? Oh, got it. Why the hell did I did that? cd this, clear, python this, over here, netcat listener, press enter. This has been saved. If I'll go back, go up here, TTY, copy this, paste it here, press enter, Control Z, copy this, go here, paste it, press enter, and it says invalid argument. Okay, I think I need to put the raw hyphen echo over here, press enter, it still says invalid argument because it's in a double stack. Foreground, back to the business, copy this, paste it here, press enter, clear it out, go back to the shell stuff. Yeah, I got it. What I was messing up, it was because of this. So just to fix it a bit, over here, boom, we're good. Now in future I don't have to mess up. Later, upload complete video. Bro, that's going to be a mess. I don't have that much time. Like I always say, I have a job, so around this time I usually come and do the live streams, and because of this shittiest system that I have, it just died in between. You might be getting a proper video out here, but here I am getting a delay because of some reason, and now that has been fixed. I don't know how and I don't know why. It is messed up, bro. Clear it. Netcat listener, another one, and we are trying to perform like this. So I hope I wanna cry. It is not working. Copy, cancel it. We are out. Yes. Okay, transfer the shell to the above one. We can exit from here. Send it back. Something is not right with this command. Do I need to put it over here? Copy this, paste it here, press enter, copy this, press enter, submit it, clear this out, go to Jarvis, go to privilege escalation, copy this, paste it here. It's still not working. Provide the IP address. Okay, let's try this. Copy this, paste it here, press enter. Got you. Did that work? Wait a sec. Netcat listener, paste, send it, and it says command not found. Press command not found. Okay, so we can just start here. We are inside it. Copy the, paste it, press enter. It says got you, but you're not getting me. Paste. Should I remove the count 1? No fails. I think it is working. It just say got you. You really got me? I don't know. Let's try 127.0.0.1. Press enter. Okay, it is pinging. It is pinging. The phone is ringing. Okay, sorry, my bad. Ping is working. 127.0.0.1 -c space 1, and it says got you. That's what I'm also thinking. Its phone is like bad taste. Sorry, my bad. Single quote, paste, single quote, press enter. Again, double quote, paste, double quote, enter. Got you. What was the other way to perform? Can we go like this? Got you. If I'm giving it a single IP address, that's not gonna stop any way around. So that's idiotic stuff to do, but maybe we can run it. What was that like operator that we can use to bypass the space? There's a special character for that, right? Where have I added that? I'm not able to recall that. That's bypass the space in bash. That was something like $p IPN or like something like that. Bash space using $VPN. No, it's not this. IFS. This one. So if I will, okay, no backspace, that means we can try over here in curly braces $IPS IFS, sorry. that will bypass the space over here, and here we will, I think we just need to test this one first. Yeah. Copy, paste, press enter. It's like, got you. I don't want you to got me. This put bad taste in my mouth. Paste, enter. Again, got you. We're not able to perform any sort of misdirection. There has to be some way. I cannot waste this much time. We are providing it the IP address, right? What else can we perform in there? Let's see, ls. It broke. Let's see. Ways to perform the command in bash. Execute command within another command using $bracket or backticks. Backtick has been banned, so we can try $bracket ls bracket press enter. This is not working. Once more. $bracket. 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 Bracket. Remove this. Remove this. Copy this. Paste it here. Press enter. Damn, again it says got you, but I don't want you to got me, man. Copy. Paste. Oh sheesh. Paste. Enter. This got you is giving me the headache. We cannot run the ls. We cannot run the got you. We cannot run the file. What the hell can we run then? Maybe the problem is when we are trying to ping, it is putting it into the loop. We need to find a way to make it break the loop. But we cannot use that damn corrector and operator. We can use the $operator. We can try use the curly braces with this. And there is another thing that's coming into my mind. Yo ho ho, yo ho ho ho. Yo ho ho ho, yo ho ho ho. Read source code again. Got you. There's nothing in the source code or much. This much is the source code actually. So it says for in I in forbidden, if I in command. So there is something that is forbidden, it will just drop that. over here it is taking the OS operating system in the command and putting it right after the ping. Okay, maybe this is where I'm doing the area, but that doesn't make the difference. Even if I put it afterwards or forward, it should just take it. Here you see it has banned the damn hyphen, and this contained the hyphen here. So because of that we cannot put the count here, and if we do not put the count, that is going to go all the way to the loop. And because of the hyphen we cannot even perform this one hyphen. But the only thing we can do, we can perform the command. So who else is watching, guys? Don't make a single person or two person to go wild here. Drop your ideas what the hell we can do to bypass this. It is getting on my nerve. We cannot perform the command. We can perform the ping. We cannot use the hyphen. Because of the hyphen we are getting forbidden. We cannot perform the AND operator. Because of the AND operator we are getting banned too, probably. But this is too messed up. Let me check something over here. What's going on the YouTube? Cannot see clearly. JRS. Let me ask GPT to fix this command. Bash script, we cannot run the script. Bash script. But that's also a problem. We cannot call anything in there. Insert echo, but echo won't do the business. We're not even able to call the ls. We are not able to call the ls. Wait. Can we do like this? Dollar, double braces. Oh sheesh. Damn, it's broken. Yeah, cancel it out. Now, slowly. Dollar, single bracket. It is already performing the ping. So if I will try home, we cannot perform this. We can use the slash, right? Let's see. We're not banned over the slash. Yeah, we are not banned over the slash. So slash pepper slash user dot txt bracket close. If this worked, then we can perform it another way too, I believe. And it says permission denied. Why permission denied? We are using it with the same stuff and our user has the permission to let's see. This might work. I'm not 100% sure, but let's see. Cat copy. Now this does not contain anything relevant to the ban. Please. It worked. This damn thing worked. It worked. It worked. We can call the files. We can perform other actions. It worked. Now, what we can try to create a new file that will contain the what the hell that will contain? That will contain the RCE for us, and we will provide it the permission that it needs. And once that will execute, because it is executed by the pepper, it should provide us the reverse connection of the pepper. I hope that worked. Okay, so let's remove all the garbage from here. We do not provided the argument over here, or maybe we can provide the argument here itself. Let's see if that works. Yo, I'm new here and it works. Yeah. Yep, it works. I'm happy. How much time did it took? Yeah, we don't have that file in there. IDRSA. If it was there, I would have already done it. It's not in there. So we go till here, copy this. And we did this. Okay, I think we should keep what we tried, so we should remember what the hell we have went through, right? I will separate it. Memories should be kept, especially the bad one. That'll keep reminding you what the hell you have done wrong in the past. So here we go. Can remove this. We have our stuff. And what's the damn command here? Copy. No, we need to copy this. Now, here's the game. We don't have the IDRSA, but we can write a file that will help us get what we need. Cancel, clear this. And that's a good thing that it is working. Now, what we can, before we do anything idiotic, here we have tried some unsuccessful attempts. to get the RCE or read the file. We tried using the double AND, now this one, double AND operator, which didn't work because at the end we gonna need hyphen one way or another. Then we also try to, yeah, that will definitely work because we are able to call this, then that will work, I'm pretty sure. So but let's write stuff first. That what we have messed up here. Attempt to fill the space using double braces IFS. Attempt to run the long command, which was idiotic step cause all we were using was banned characters. Even after reading the damn code. Sure, brother. See you another time. Enjoy. What the fuck? We'll change that later. But after some time, I thought about reading a file, but by trying to read a file in another way, cause we can't use the special chars, and because of that we can't run the command. So I thought wait, if that is working right, if I will do this again, but this time if I don't put it as a single command, just go with this, it's just gonna entertain the cat. I hope that's what it will do. If it is still able to read the user.txt file, yes, it didn't read the file. But if I will do it with that command stuff, it will read that file. If there is any other way to read the file or run the command in the system, cause I remember sometime we use double bash shell when we need to get the RCE shell inside a shell. Using the same method or technique, we got one successful attempt and we got the user.txt flag. Now we need to perform a same action that can help us get the RCE of the user pepper. Here what I am thinking is to create a script that will be containing the RCE payload, and when we'll call it here, we will get the access to the user pepper. Okay, so let's create a file. But before that, let's go all the way down to the flags, and here we will provide the flag cause we already got it, and clean some mess of this. Go here and provide it here, submit it. We have our first flag, and I don't know why I'm having a pain. Tomorrow I have to go to the doctor. Let's see if the command has been fixed. It says the command you provided has a minor issue. FG is this. And BGI, if you specify need, you are assuming a suspended job, ensure that before running. Now we are messing up here. Okay, so it is going to work like this, but I cannot use it with the FG in a single go. Understandable. So if I will exit from here too, exit from here too, split it, Python, press enter, we'll get the RCE. Cancel, scroll it down, clear. Now go all the way up to the axis of the LFI, copy this, paste it here, put it into the background, copy this command, paste it here, clear this. Okay, so this has messed up some stuff. This is columns, this is rows, right? Do I need to change the column? I just need to change the rows. Wait a sec. If I will do stdy -a, it says 11 rows and 135 columns. So if I will do this, like just alone expand the rows, what will it do? Okay, create a new one, exit from here. What if I will just expand the columns? ls, but over here I have expanded the both rows and column. I don't know how that is gonna impact. Create a new one. Let's try one by one. Copy this, netcat listener. It will get the RCE by itself, I believe. Okay, didn't, cause the session might have died. Now, good. Copy this, paste it here, press enter, send it to the backwards. Oh, no. Copy this, paste it here, press enter. Okay, I still got that tire. Now if I do FG foreground, paste, press enter. Okay, now enter is not working. Control enter, shift enter. Okay, so this has been messed up. Clear, the session or the shell is broken. Pipe, new shell, new command. This time we're gonna remove the columns first. Got the RCE, put it behind. Instead of rows, you can expand the columns and perform the FG, press enter, copy this, paste, press enter. Again, it's broken, so exit cannot work. We need to work with both. Understood. So over here, what I have done is just to go with the columns. Press. Okay. Exit. Press netcat listener, press enter. Start the reverse connection. Copy this. Get the RC already. Oh no. I almost forgot this. Press enter. Copy paste. Not yet. Control C. Paste. Press enter. FG. Press enter. Copy this. Paste. Press. Don't tell me this is also broken. The whole shell was broken. Split netcat. Press this. Python. Okay, cd this. Oh, I am having a good amount of pain. Sorry guys for wasting your time. Just give me a second. Once I'm done with this, we will continue. I just want to fix this shell so we can get in properly. Paste, enter. Z shell behind. Copy this, paste it here, over here. FG, press enter. Copy this, paste, press enter. And again, this is broken. So the problem is we cannot expand it too far. How are we gonna work with this then? What does this big guy say is row echo let's go here and give the whole stuff. Okay, so it says this should work. Let's give a shot. Okay, this is working, this is working. Go back. Will I be able to paste this whole stuff now without breaking? Now it is still breaking. Echo this, do this foreground, then reset. Oh. Nope. That's not working. Enable in autocomplete. Okay, it is going to remain broken, so we cannot do much. Tput clear. We're not fixing that. Just go to hell. We are good with this, so we will stay with this only. If there will be much problem, then we can just okay, close the file, damn it. What's up? Good, bro. What about you? How you doing? I'm just banging my head over the wall for quite some time, but now it seems to be fixed. So, nothing much. Now we need to netcat listener. Let's create a file with the payload of RCE. How's the holy? Man, you can see my face. I don't go out on occasions like this. I just sit idly in my room, and this is my comfort place. I don't go out much. I went out only for NullCon, if you've seen the video. Other than that, again, I'm back home and sitting here all day. That's it. Okay, so we are going to create file which nano slash temp slash going to contain rce.sh. Press enter, continue, and we are going to put over here this plain text, this one, copy, paste, Control X, save, press enter. This contains everything that we need. Now chmod +X path, press enter, cat this file. We have given it what it desired for. Now let's call it using the script. So we have this file here, and we are going to call it here sudo whatever cd slash. How was your holy, bro? Was it fun? Dollar braces slash temp slash rce dot sh. Braces close, press enter. It says permission denied. Cannot. Do we need to change the ownership also? That would be a problem, right? Because we are adding it into there, so I don't think we need to change that in there. Permission has been given. Nano is here. Press enter and we're going to delete every single piece of stuff from here. And as far as I remember, we need a certain syntax to start with the bash, so I guess that's the problem here. Hash okay slash bin slash bash double space. Let's try this one. Paste X, yes, enter. Permission has been given, so cat this file, go here, go to the notes and just paste it here. We can remove unwanted stuff. Now that this is there, now we can call it. Last time it didn't work, so I'm expecting it to work this time. So we will copy this, paste it here, go back and dollar whatever. I don't think we need to call the much stuff, so we'll temp.rce.sh braces close and do start the netcat listener. Before, so over here we're gonna add pipe netcat listener, and this contain way too much stuff. We will use the hashtag netcat listener connection. There we go. Now we will copy this, paste it here, press enter. Yeah, hey, yo ho ho, yo ho ho. We got it. Proud. Proud. Who am I? Yeah. Yeah. Booyah. We got it. Booyah. And here another successful attempt. Over here what we're gonna do is I think it should go up. This is a privilege escalation, so The first privilege escalation, which happened over here. From user www data to pepper. Whoa. And now we have access to the user pepper. Let's roam around. Okay, so I don't think this is going to be another stable shell. Well, perform clear. Okay, it is performing clear because it must have inherited the stuff from here. So it might, no, it cannot run the pan down command. So that's where it is broken, but it is using the other stuff. So pretty good, not bad, not bad, not bad. ls clear cd home cd slash. Okay, so this is broken. We need to put it back. Now stable this shell 2. And start reading the files. Where the hell? Okay, there we go. Now we can perform actions. What action should we perform? ls files cd home pepper. In pepper we can ls web logs, but this is going to be the empty one. ls-la. Pepper don't have much, so if I will sudo -l, press enter, we don't have the password of the user pepper. What can we do here? Any idea? What I am thinking is we can do how much time is it? Okay, it's been a 2.5 hour. I think it's almost time to go also. So I can say I'll see you guys tomorrow, but let's see if we can somehow escalate the privilege from pepper to root. But as far as I can think, we're gonna need either the lin piece or maybe something that can help us identify if there is any vulnerability vulnerability, any sort of cron job or something that we can exploit, or if there is any file that we can run. This one file was a pure luck, and the good thing was this was executed by the pepper, but if this was executed by the root, we could have already got the root.txt. So let's see what we can get from here. PSAUX dub. Let's see what sort of processes we are running here, and what sort of processes root is running here, and why the hell is root running this. Sudo -u pepper doesn't make much sense. Another broken shell, but at least we know that it did try to make it run. It just that these stuff didn't let it run. Okay, here is something good. Python SQLi Defender. Let's try cat this. Permission denied. Okay, we have been turned down by one of the files. SQL, not sure if it will be containing anything. What extra we can check? Yo, people, give some ideas. Try to participate, man. Don't be like this. Don't be like this. Don't do this for me. You're getting my point. Don't do this for me. That will be bad. We have PHP FPM master processes. There is a cron -f. Probably the cron job is running some sort. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I should try this. Find root user. Yeah. Let's try this. Find all the files from the root. We're not gonna specify the name, but user root can run. Then we will send that any sort of error into dev/null. Press enter, and that's the wrong command, I guess. Cancel it. Cancel it, boya. It should be the pepper pot. P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper. Only one file that we have found so far, and we have got some good stuff, or like garbage stuff. We don't want the proc. Here we see we have weblogs. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Dev pts/2 is this. And we have this simpler file. But if I will do -ls-la, paste it, press enter, the pepper has the permission. We cannot change. Read, write, execute. Read, write, execute. Read, write, execute. Read, write, execute. Whoa. Okay, so we have to rely on that to keep it running. That was my bad. Totally blown the stuff. Totally my bad. And now the shell is broken. Cannot perform any other action. Fish. Need to exit. Collapse. Netcat listener. Start this. Copy this, paste it here, press enter. Got the shell. EX. Okay, we don't need that, so we will send it into the background. Copy this, paste it here. Copy this, paste it here. Press enter. Clear it. Oh. Back to normal. Now what we can do is I can move my key over here, and using that key I can access the pepper@Jarvis. But I don't have that much of a patience. Next time what I will do is write a whole command that'll just upload my key over here, and I can just directly perform the SSH. Won't that be cool? That would be cool. It will be cool. Okay, so So we need to find a file. To find the file, we need to upload some stuff. To upload some stuff, we're gonna need a netcat. And there aren't many files that Pepper can write. So we are going to load the damn upload what linpiece and see if we can get anything sensitive that can help us in Prevesc. Okay, now I get it. It has to be a gas problem. Ouch. Pain, pain, pain. Damn. Guys watching, drop a like. That would be pretty helpful. You're getting my point. Drop a like. I cannot shout. Okay, so we are in. We need to upload the good stuff. That means we need to call the good stuff here. So cp locate the linpiece, copy the linpiece, cp linpiece over here. Now python 3 -m http.server port 80, press enter, go here. We going to go /cd/dev/shm, press enter, wget, take it up a bit. We don't need HTTP, so we will go 10.10.16.8. Port 80 doesn't matter. It will linpiece.sh. Press enter and it should get uploaded. And it did. And we have our file up there. That means we can put stuff here. Now that the file has been uploaded, let's run it. I just hope we don't have to provide the permissions. /linpiece. We need to provide the permission. Let's provided the execute permissions and run it. chmod +x linpiece. Now here is another good stuff that I'm gonna do. Now that we have our file there, we can clean it, and we are going to gastric problems. It hurts. Here we're gonna do netcat lnvp over here pepper pepperpot pepperpot peas. Here we going to go here and move everything here. Double and dot slash dot sh and like this, space, only this much. Paste it here. Press enter. Oh sheesh. Oh, thank you. It didn't work. Now it should work. There we go. So now we can get everything on our local system, baby. Yeah. Chmod. We can provide the permissions. Dev shm over here with space and some other afterwards stuff. Space this. Oh, we didn't provide this. And call the data to our local machine. What this will do is using the netcat. Wait. So what this will do, whenever you are like working on some machine or doing something that you know that it will or it might get removed, so you will just directly transfer whole output and other stuff over your local machine. So after even if your connection is lost or you have something broken, you can at least read the content afterwards without having any problem. So that's why I pulled the whole file over my local. So now I can read this data in ease without thinking about if this session will die or something will happen. I'm not able to read the content with low setting, whatever the stuff or whatever is getting messed up. That will like help me there. Watching, like, do it guys. That would be helpful. And so like we have the peppers piece over here, so we can read the lin piece output. We can also do the same with other tools, so let's just stick with this for now. Let's see if we have anything related to this. Color, not here, not here, not here, not here. That's a quick check that we do. After some time we will look for other stuff. So oh, there is something that is a system control root and the pepper pen system control. She and root has whole access to that. Pretty weird and pretty good. Any other place that we can see that? Nope. So only one place where we can check that. So let's go all the way up. Now slowly start reading Linux version, which is old. We can try the kernel based stuff over here. kernel exploit. As you can see, it's an old one, so we might be able to exploit it with that. Sudo version is old. What else we have? We have swap mount. We have some other disks. We have environments, dev shm. Whoa. Net filter, heap, outbound, out of bound write, DCCP, PIE stack corruption. What good? Root is performing some action. There is a VG auth services that's triggered by the root. VM tools, as it's running in the VM, cron-f, cron jobs. I think we'll be able to list for the user root. Apache is running. Dump threads from memory as root. Process with the credential in the memory. Maybe we can check this. Cron job in cron tab not found. We have the permission to read and write the files here. Maybe we can try change this socket. Let's try cat. What does this socket have? Permission deny, we cannot cat it. But it does say we have the read and write permissions. Don't know why. We have free desktop dbus. Let's see if there is any other process running. It was ss-tln. Press enter. We have same amount of ports. What is it running over? It's also running the HTTP stuff. Even if I try to do the what? Perform a tunnel over here, that does not gonna change anything cause we are able to access that port. So I'm pretty sure this, or maybe this don't have anything to do with the port. We have link local IP address. That's not what I was looking. Jarvis.htb, Jarvis, okay, server name, Google name server, okay, so default IP address. Services, TCP dump is disabled. User pepper. ptrace protection is disabled. Root bin bash, home pepper bin bash. Daemon. Useful softwares. Netcat, sudo, wget, but we cannot perform any action with the sudo because we don't have the pepper password. What do we have here? Ban redirect config. Okay, this PHP extension that is running under the root. And okay, I think we might be utilizing that port after all. Allow open URL, we have that. URL include. Okay, we might be utilizing that port. So I think from here we can continue tomorrow, if you guys don't mind. What do you say? I think there is something messed up with the yo gang. Okay, sorry, my bad. So I think this is as far as I can go. It's almost 12:30 here, so we'll be stopping here. If I don't have anything tomorrow, then I will definitely start this again, and we will try to finish this box tomorrow because it's been hanging for quite long, and seriously it's been quite long. So if I have to check right up, we'll go for that. So with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow if you are in the same time zone as me. Have a great rest of your night. Have sweet dreams. And if you're in the zone where it's a day, have a great rest of your day. It's just a start, so enjoy. And if you're an Indian and watching from there, or it doesn't matter if you're an Indian, happy Holi there. As in India, it's already finished, so join the community, enjoy you guys. So with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. New here, subscribe, older one, like, share, comment if nothing you understood. I'll try to explain it in the comments chat. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.